You sit here. Oh.
Say hi, vlog.
Make your cup.
Hi, vlog. What are we making today?
We're making. What are we making today?
Miswa.
Oreo.
So, chef, I need spoon. Thank you. What are you looking for? Oh, that one, yes.
Oh,
Ice cube.
Put it there. That is 1/2 cup of.
how do you put it in? The butter is so sticky.
The butter is so sticky.
The what?
The butter is so
How
sticky.
do you put the butter in?
It's technique.
Baby, you do it like that one. Using that one. Or use this spoon. And the next is. Can you put one cup of brown sugar? Let's open this.
Gunting.
Gunting. Ano, mommy? Anticipate juga, mommy. All done? Now, you have to put white sugar here. And then, Kuya will do the brown sugar. Sakto ba ako? Ay! Sorry.
White sugar.
Yeah, white sugar. Wait. Yours is 1 cup, Kuya.
This one.
Yeah, that one.
Pour it?
Yeah, pour it. Slowly, ha?
Slowly.
Because that's expensive. And then, you, baby, you do white sugar here. Okay?
Careful.
Samot ba na itong dito pwede mag-vlog po. You put 1/2 cup here. So, make it full, ha?
Yes, ma'am.
This is enough.
This is enough daw.
Full.
Oh, full daw lang ga. Full.
Yeah.
Full.
More.
Balita ko ba? Full. 1/2 tablespoon is 1 teaspoon. Kabugo man yung nanin. More pa, baby. Make it full. A bit more pa. Ha? No, you do it together with Kuya. Okay, that's it. And then pour everything here. Ikutin niyo ate.
Unsa pa mo papalit eh?
It.
Unsa pa?
Very good. And then slowly mix it.
Unsa pa?
Who will do the mixing?
Nice.
Alternate. Then Kuya, can you ask mommy 1 egg, please?
Mommy egg.
Sprite. You want Sprite?
Slowly lang, ha?
Mommy
Okay.
egg.
Please. Please.
Do you wanna crack the egg inside? But later na. Let ate mix it first.
There's so much butter from.
So much butter.
That's what
Gimelt ang butter.
Huwag siya gimelt sa kuan.
Masyadong sa
I
video.
Sa
made
video. Pagbuo. Or check natin kung kailangan ba i-melt. Huwag siya gimelt sa video. Eto, gusto.
Chocolate.
flour.
Yeah, flour and
Chocolate.
flour. Okay, continue mixing it ate. No, flour and flour first.
Flour, flour.
Flour.
I put flour in both of these.
Yes. Huwag na kayo magtanong. Lagayan niyo na lang.
Mixing.
Continue mixing it ate. Very well done! Mga reassuring statements.
Flour.
Thank you, Tony's, for the sponsor.
And
Bought it.
girl and
And Sainsbury's for the... Okay, meron platik.
You bought it. Not free.
Ay,
Is it like this? Is it full now or a little bit?
a bit more.
more here on the side. Ah! Okay. More. That's it.
Yeah, put it there.
lang.
Yeah. That's
Okay,
it. Then
that's
you can pour it for everything.
Yeah, pour everything there. That's it.
Then,
That's it. And then 1 full of this camera. You can use this one to scoop instead.
One more.
Ang hirap!
One more scoop of that. The full scoop. Full scoop. Tap it on the sides. Oh, yeah, that's it.
Well done! How's our mixing, ate? Good.
Then where do I put the baking soda?
Mix it more because we don't have the...
Where is gonna, the baking soda?
Okay, relax tayo guys, ha?
Where's the baking soda?
1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Is it
1/2
1/2?
teaspoon.
How do I open this door?
1 teaspoon na kanino?
Guys, it's still there. Is that 1/2? Which is 1/2?
Can you ask mommy to put salt here?
A little bit.
No, full.
Full spoon.
Alec, can you ask mommy for kucharita? A teaspoon. What's kucharita?
What's kucharita? Very good.
Thank you, kuya. So 1/2 of this one, I'll just put half because it's just bana-bana.
What's bana-bana, Tita Koy?
Is this okay na?
Imaginary.
Is this okay na?
A bit more.
It looks like peanut butter.
It's like peanut butter.
I have a different reference. It looks like type 5.
You
Type
learn it
5.
soon.
Ask mommy, mommy, what's type 5?
What's type 5? Mommy, what's type 5?
It looks like peanut butter, but no, for me, it looks like type 5. Going type 6.
Yeah, sometimes it's
This enough. So,
And borrow be.
check. Be careful. Oh, why do you put this up?
Because I want to. Charot. Put it here, kuya.
Look,
That's it.
then, is it done?
Or ask mommy for a spoon na lang, then mix this one. That one.
I want
Oh, you mix this one, ate, or then kuya will mix that one.
But you should the salt and flour.
Yeah, everything. Kapag talaga yan, makulog girl. Wala tayong ibang butter girl. Sinasabi ko sa'yo. Okay, now, put this one here.
Then we put the cooking here.
This one here. Both of them. Actually, yeah, you have a point.
Yeah.
Can you put this one out here?
Magipagtalo pa siya sa taas.
Look at the YouTube ang good. It's the other way around. Kuya, can you get me tissue? Yeah, slowly, ha?
Nice reasoning. Very good. Very good.
Nakatawa si Alec. So, ba't mo ilalagay doon? Ito naman yung sticky. So, I pointed siya.
Good.
Na?
That's your
Mommy,
point.
mommy naman.
It's sticky.
Okay, let me help you first.
How about you also mix it this one? Double the mix.
Later, baby. I no, that's
It's chocolate chip.
yeah, it's already
Yeah.
ready-made.
Yeah.
We don't eat ready-made.
That's a...
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mommy, can I have tissue? Tissue? Sige sa bukton eh. Kung saan ba?
Good.
You mix it, Tita.
Mix it.
Let Tita mix it, please. Tita is tired.
You didn't do anything.
You didn't do anything daw, girl.
No, you.
I mean... Akala ko siguro. Ako pala.
Oh, we're getting there.
I know how to make butter.
You know how to make butter?
Without microwave.
How? Put it in your armpits, no? They will melt. Okay, then after that, give it to them. Okay. Wait, last one.
Now what?
Now what?
Put some chocolate chips.
Yep. Do you want to put some chocolates?
I wanna.
Oh, come here.
Yes.
Slow. No, use your hands. Tay-tay lang naman kakain yan.
Did you wash your hands?
You wash your hands.
That's the question.
I wash my hands.
When?
Just like that.
Wait, ate. More.
More.
Okay, who will put everything in this container?
Me.
Okay, thank you.
Wait, I wash.
Yeah, wash your hands first. Ah, we're getting there, oh. I can see the future.
Shireen!
Yay! Dad, chocolate on your nose.
Hey, Alec, come here. Where are you? Do you wanna try?
No.
You wanna try? It's okay, man. Mmm.
Is it sweet?
Stop eating now. Put it here.
Try.
No.
Stop
Try kayo.
eating now!
Try, Jake. Try mo siya. Na.
Cookie dough.
Cookie dough.
Yes, just like cookie dough.
What's this?
Pinaka-star na mo.
Just like cookie dough, yeah, kiss it is. Anak malison. Here, come here. Tell the camera that we're just gonna wait for an hour.
I just gotta wait for an hour.
Ay, sana bumili na lang tayo ng cookies.
No, no, no.
One eternity later.
What are you doing, Eliza?
Baking cookies.
Baking cookies.
There's not enough space.
We're trying to look for another tray. I'll just move it to the side from here. No, at the second to the last. Then above.
Yung fish cake mo, girls?
Wait, let's move this aside first.
Bye-bye.
I put it there, tita ko.
Saan ba ito?
Doon sa oven. 10 minutes lang ha.
10 minutes.
I'll spray some oil. Spray some oil
Look
on
at the camera.
Wait, now hold it. Spray. This side. That side. So, tapos lang ka. Okay, that's it. Ginawang lotion.
You make a heart.
You made a heart.
Make a heart ko.
Sige daw, how will you make a heart? Let's see. A small heart. Where's heart, Mama?
Make me an A1. Let's do high. Make me an A1.
You're an A. You're not
A1.
gonna eat, ah. A. A is difficult.
You're not baking.
Oh yeah, I'm not baking as
So
well.
what do you
Oh,
think?
yeah. Girl, if you're not baking, you're not eating. Nagmakpan? Ito. Ha? Oh, did you? Oh no.
Is it a heart? Make a carrot. Sige, yes.
What else should I do?
Nilagay mo na? Yay! Oh, sit down here. Help Tita Jade. To circle. Hindi ako nalakas sa computer. Hindi ako sa English.
Just put it, take a sip. So I can have some, what I did take? Oh, I put it on the oven.
That's not baking.
Oh, no, that's not baking. What's baking then?
You bake it.
Nah, you make. You bake, you make. What if Ate Andy?
I don't.
Mommy didn't bake as well.
Everyone will get it.
Oh.
But mommy got a cookie, and daddy loves the cookie of mommy.
Mommy got no food.
Ang sarap ng
Ate
cookie mo.
Andy, say hi to the vlog.
The heart.
Alexa, timer for 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Starting now.
Very good, Alexa.
Do this at the camera. This one, let's take this. Show the camera what you did.
Let's
tried. Hi, I have my cookie.
Ang sunod pa yung pinakita.
I'm gonna.
We're gonna eat it!
Why?
Oh, the ice cream, oh. Put it with ice cream.
You have ice cream?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Dami na naman ko. Kaya nga eh.
Ay, Isabel.
Kung ano-ano na yung Ala! It's too much naman.
That's enough.
Okay. You leave it one.
You want some attendee? Ice cream?
You want your
So thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yoshi ice naman, but parang nagdadalawang isa.
Is that a cat?
Yeah.
Ako, dito ba yung dalawa? Para na kung wala yan dito.
You do this first.
That's it. Go, 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 more, more.
It.
You do it.
Hey.
I say! Nilagyan niya lahat.
Di yan lang, Bing.
Bakit kakainin ito?
No, not all.